Have you ever imported a whole bunch of leads via a spreadsheet using the Populi People Importer?
Hey Josh, what are you working on?
Just importing a whole bunch of leads via a spreadsheet using the Populi People Importer. And then later, one of those leads was so zealous for admission to your school that they submitted an inquiry of their own directly on your site, resulting in 2 leads for the same person. Okay, it's 2 leads, same person. And then, because that lead used a different email address when creating that inquiry, you didn't connect them to their existing profile, and instead you created a new profile for them. It's the same person. What have I done? Dear President Oakstone, I regret to inform you that I have brought shame on the school and everything we stand for, and I'm tendering my resignation. In a circumstance like this, what can you do? Used to, you'd have to contact someone in support and they would have to do it for you. However, we recently released the People Merger feature, and that means that you can merge people on your own. So I'm here to show you where that is and how you can start merging profiles yourself today. First, you need to check and see if you're a Populi account administrator, a PAA. You can check that real easily by going up to your profile picture or your initials up here, clicking on that, and then you'll see an option for account and settings. If that says account and settings and not just settings, and then when you go here, you have all these options down here under account, then you are a Populi account administrator. Congratulations. That means that you can go to the profile that you'd like to lose. So this is going to be the loser profile that you start from. You go to that profile, and then up here in the right-hand corner, you just choose those little 3 stacked dots there, and then select Merge Profile. Then you get in here, and real quick, search for the other profile. It'll come up, you'll select it, and you'll hit Next. Then it's going to process for a second. You can see those profiles right here. We'll just wait for that to finish processing. And then you'll see that we make you sign off on this because you're potentially, you're not going to lose any data, but you're making a change in the database here. So we make you click that little button, and then down below, you'll see the data that's going to move, things that are going to change, all of that right here. So there's some enrollments that are coming over, phone number, email address, various things like that are going to end up on this profile over here. Once you're good to go, you can click Merge Profiles, more processing. It's got to process. And so then once you have that, then you can see your profiles there, and then you can have the choice to right now undo the merge. So you can click that button and it all just goes back to the way that it was. There are further details on this, other ins and outs and little things about how those merges work, and those are covered in the knowledge base article that we'll link to in the description. You know the deal. Subscribe, click the notifications bell, ding, ding, ding. We hope you find the ability to merge these profiles yourself to be a beautiful, newfound freedom. And thanks for using Populi.